Hello friends, welcome to Skills for Success. In this video, I'll be taking you on a journey of Microsoft Word. This video is made for absolute beginners who don't have any understanding or knowledge of Microsoft Word. So if you are someone who are new to Microsoft Word, just sit back and relax. I'm sure at the end of this video, you would be knowing a lot of new things about Microsoft Word. Having said that, if you are someone who have experience working on Microsoft Word, you can still go ahead and watch this video because I'm sure you'll find something new, something interesting that will be adding to your existing knowledge. To make this video interactive and engaging, I'll be asking you a lot of questions in this video. So make sure that you are answering to those questions in the comment section. So keep watching and stay tuned. So let's begin. The very first step is to understand how to open the Word document. There are multiple ways by which we can open the Word document. We'll see each one of it. The first option to open the Word document is simply go to the search tab which is at the bottom of your screen and type Word there. When you do that, this particular Word app opens up. When you click on it, the screen opens. And on this screen, on the left hand side, you can see there are multiple tabs, a home tab, a new tab, and an open tab. When you click on new, you have an option to open a blank document. Apart from that, there are multiple pre-configured templates which are available in Word which you can use to create your own content. So you have a content to create your resume, you can use Word to create a certificate, you can use Word to create a party invitation, so on and so forth. So depends on how and what you can imagine. There are multiple options available in Word. The third tab which you see here is an open tab. When you click there, you can see I have an option to open the Word document which I have already created. So I can see the date on which the document was modified on. Apart from this, I can open the Word document by going to this icon which is on the bottom left side of my screen. If I click here and I scroll down to W, here I can see Word. So with this option also, the same screen appeared which appeared in the previous example. And the third way to open Word document is simply go to your home page and do a right click, click on new and select the Word document. You can rename the Word document and that's it. Now it may happen that the screen which you are seeing on your desktop is totally different from the screen which I am showing you. This may happen because the version of Microsoft Windows which you are using is different than the version I am using. So how do I check the version? Simply click on the Word document which you have created just now, go to File and click on Account. Here you can see that I am using 2019 version of Microsoft Office. So depending on the version you are using, the screen that you are seeing and the navigation you are seeing will differ. So even if you are using any version of Microsoft Office which is later than 2007, you should be able to understand all the concepts which we are covering in this video. As said earlier, some of the navigations or screens might appear different, but the overall concept of Microsoft Word won't change. Now that you have understood how to open the Word document and you are aware of which version of Microsoft Office you're using, the next step for us is to understand the interface of Microsoft Word. Let's go to the Word document which we have created in the previous steps. To open the Word document, just double click on the file which we have created earlier. Once the file is open, you can see there are multiple options. On the top left corner of the file, you have a quick access toolbar. Below that, you can see there are multiple options like file, home, insert, design, layout, so on and so forth. So this entire thing is called as the ribbon. Below the ribbon, you can see my actual Word document where I'll be writing my content, where I'll be drawing charts, drawing shapes, figures, or inserting tables. And below the Word document, I have the status bar. The status bar gives me real-time information about the Word document. Since this Word document is having one page and I'm on the first page of the Word document, it is showing as page 1 of 1. I haven't written anything on the Word document, that's why we can see it says 0 words. On the right hand side of the Word document, you can see an option to zoom in and zoom out. So these are all the interfaces which we just discussed. On the top left side, we have the quick access toolbar. Below that, we have a ribbon, and then we have the main document, and at the bottom of the document, we have the status bar. Let us quickly discuss few more things about the quick access toolbar and the ribbon. So to start with the quick access toolbar, which is located on the top left corner of my window, you can see there is a bottom arrow here. If you click here on this arrow, you can see there are multiple options available here. So these are the options which you can add to the quick access toolbar. So these are nothing but the things which you access more often while working on the Word document. So by default, quick access toolbar comes with new, undo and redo added to it. If you want to add something more to it, you can do that. Let's say for example, my requirement is that while working on the Word document, I need to draw tables very frequently. So the first option which I might use to draw a table is go to insert tab and draw a table. So in this case, I am using two things. First I have to go to the insert tab and then I have to select table. But if I add draw table to my quick access toolbar, this icon will appear here and I can draw the table in just one click instead of two clicks which we were doing earlier. So see, I can draw my quick table very quickly. I can just add the rows and columns that I want into the table. I can split the table. I can add rows. I can add columns. If I'm not happy with whatever I have drawn, I can simply undo it by clicking on this arrow. I have an option to redo it. So if I click on this arrow, it will redo whatever I have deleted first. Now let's say if I want to open a new Word file, initially I would have gone here and then click on new and my blank document would have opened. But with quick access toolbar, I can simply go here and click on this icon and a new document is created. See, this is document 3. If I click once again, a new document is created. So with quick access toolbar, you can access some functions which you are using more frequently, and it saves a lot of time when you are working on the Word document. Below the quick access toolbar, we have the ribbon. Ribbon is the interface in Microsoft Word which we will be using quite often. So let us understand what all this interface has to offer. Ribbon comprises of tabs. So here you can see you have a home tab. Besides home tab, you have an insert tab, then you have a design tab, then you have a layout tab, a references tab, mailing, review, view, help, so on and so forth. And within each tab you have commands. So for example, in the home tab you have 5 commands: import, font, paragraph, styles and editing. There is a dialog box which is located at the bottom of each command. So you can see there is a small box here. If you click on that box, you will find many more options which are available for you to work in the Microsoft Word document. Apart from that, there are many functions which are available in the ribbon which appears when you are using a particular tab or when you are using a particular command in a given tab. Say for example, I want to insert a table and I go to insert and I click on table. So right now you can see there's nothing which is appearing here in this part of the document. The moment I click on table and I draw a table with 4 rows and 4 columns, you can see I got table tools. This table tool will appear in the ribbon only when I'm working on the table. If I'm not working on the table, this table tool will disappear from the ribbon. So let's say now I'm not working on the table part. The table tools have disappeared. Or let's say I'm in my insert tab and I want to insert a shape. The moment I select a shape, design tools appeared here. So these were not available when I was working on tables. The moment I am out of the design part, the design tools will disappear. So as I said, these tools will appear only when I am using a particular tab or a particular command within a given tab. So I would suggest you all to go through whatever we have covered so far, check what all interface we have covered, try exploring them by doing the hands-on. So for example, right now I just added a save option to my quick access toolbar. You can type something and see how you can use the ribbon functions. So in home tab I have an option of font where I can change the font, I can change the font color, I can change the background, I can see the moment I am adding text to it, the number of words that I'm adding, it is increasing. If you wish, you can check how the zoom in and zoom out functionality works. So the more you explore, the more you will learn here. If you don't understand anything, just hold on to your doubts. All the concepts will be clear as we proceed with the next part of the video. If you have any questions, you can just type them in the comment box and I will address them as and when it is possible. So this brings us to the end of the first video. As mentioned earlier, this video was very basic. Video was created by taking into mind someone who don't have any experience working on Microsoft Word. Before we end this video, I have a very small quiz for you all. Just answer these 3 questions in your comment section. First question is, check and tell the version of your Microsoft Word. We have already covered this in this video. The second question is, you need to access few functions of Microsoft Word more frequently. Which interface will help you to access those functions quickly? And the third question is an image and you have to tell me which interface this is. So that's all in this video, guys. Thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and stay tuned